show you how to reset the oil life on a 2017 on the Odyssey. So you're gonna turn the ignition on. This one's super simple. And you can do this with the car running or not running. But you're gonna go down here, go to settings, and then it's gonna bring the screen up here. You're gonna toggle to vehicle settings, and then go to the bottom to maintenance reset. Push down on this knob here, and then enter reset. Go over reset, and just like that. That's how you do it. And I hope this helped, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have an awesome day.